My name is Brian Osmetti. I'm president of the Kalgoorlie Bowling Club. The Kalgoorlie Bowling Club has been run since 1905, so it's been going quite a long time. As you know, it's on a very prominent position in Kalgoorlie on the corner of Maritana and Dugan Street. With the bowling club, you can travel as much as you like. You know, there's a lot of carnivals that go on around the state, and we visit a lot of people from Esperance, Southern Cross, Merredin, all those areas down that way. We're a group that everyone calls them the family, you know, like we go there, have a drink after a game, enjoy ourselves and have a lot of socials, and I think that's the best way we can relax with our age group. Sport is Kalgoorlie, that's all I can say, because if no one plays sport in Kalgoorlie, you miss out on a lot of events. With sport also, you can make a lot of friends, you know, like if you just come into Kalgoorlie and you want to play a sport, get involved in sport, because by God, you'll completely enjoy it and go away and enjoy yourself. The City of Kalgoorlie-Boulder have been quite good to us. We've got new lights constructed last year. We went to the council for a donation, and they were quite willing to give us money for our lights, which has been a great benefit for us. Well, all I'd like to say is that if anyone is out there and wants to play bowls, look, it's an enjoyable game. Once you get hitched on it, you'll be there for the rest of your life.